Hi, everyone. Welcome to this episode of MedTech Minis. Today, I'm here with Yuli, who is the CEO and founder of Sirica Therapeutics. Thank you so much for joining us. Tell us a little bit about yourself and the problem that you're working to solve.
Thank you for having me, Susie. It's a pleasure to be on your podcast. What we are trying to do is develop a new therapeutic intervention for autism. Autism is a pretty common disorder. It's a lifelong disorder. And, people don't have too many choices, especially as they get older. There are less and less therapeutic choices. So we want to create a digital therapy for autism using robotics, virtual reality, and video gaming. Put it all together as a system, and we're calling it cognitive sensory motor therapy.
Super cool. Tell us a little bit about how it works.
So our hypothesis is that when you put people into a deeply immersive environment and challenge them with a physical activity and a mental activity, so the physical activity is actually doing a physical exercise on a machine, and the mental challenge is to actually play a video game. When you put people into these situations, we feel that it will create an environment in the brain where neuroplasticity can occur. Neuroplasticity is where new neural pathways are formed in the brain, and that will help decrease some of the symptoms of autism. And that's our hypothesis. And that's what we're working on.
I love it. So where are you guys at on your commercialization journey? And do you have any results that you've seen so far?
So we just finished our preliminary study looking at safety and feasibility last year. And we came out with flying colors. And now we are planning to do our next study, which is the efficacy study. So we're still in the R&D phase. You may call it pre-seed stage as a company.
That's fantastic. Well, I'm excited for this because this is a huge, the incidence of autism is only getting wider or larger. Every time I turn around, I feel like that number is going up. And one of the things that I hear about often is exactly kind of what you're addressing is as people get older, there's less services available to them. There's less things that they can do. And I really think that there's solutions needed in this space. So I love that you're working on it. What else would you like for us to know?
Well, just watch out for these new developments that are happening with our company. And also, when we start recruiting patients for our clinical studies, be aware that we may be doing one in New York areas pretty soon, and also maybe in the San Francisco Bay Area. So keep an eye out for that. And also tell people about what we're doing.
I love it. So if people want to know more about how they might get involved in a study or how to reach out to you or learn more about Sirica Therapeutics, where should they go? What should they do? How do they contact you?
The best way is on LinkedIn. You can contact me, Yuli K. Cheripalli, and I'm available on LinkedIn. It's an easy way to connect. And the website for the company is siricatx.com, SIRICATX.com.
Perfect. And I will also put that at the end of this video so that people can check that out. Thank you so much for being a guest today. I really enjoy what you're doing, and I've worked with you many times before, and I always enjoy speaking with you. So thank you so much for coming on, and we will see you soon.
It's always a pleasure. Thank you very much, Susie.